episode of Cooking in Quarantine. Today I really didn't feel like making anything. I didn't feel like doing anything in the kitchen today. In between the copious amounts of dishes for the past couple days and just the amount of like physical labor I've been doing, I really didn't want to do anything. But I told myself I was going to do this every day. So, tough break, kiddo. So, I just decided, today I'm going to be using a simple soup recipe using an Instant Pot. Great little device, made things a lot more hands-off. So yeah, enjoy the video. Hey guys, we're back with another easy recipe. Tonight we're actually going to be using our Instant Pot. Very hands-off approach. We're doing a chickpea and pancetta soup. Alright, we're going to start off by setting our Instant Pot to saute, and we're going to add in about 1/2 a tablespoon of oil, and we're going to add in our onion. Now that we've gotten these onions nice and translucent, we're going to go ahead and add in about 4 ounces of pancetta. I'm going to let this saute down just a little bit, get a little bit of fond right down at the bottom of the pan. Now at the very bottom of the pan, we're starting to see a little bit of that fond develop right in here. We're going to want that to get a little bit more pronounced. Then we'll go ahead and add our liquids in, our chickpeas, and seal the sucker off. Alright, that looks like a good amount of fond. We don't want anything to burn. So let's go ahead and add in our dried chickpeas. It's about 4 ounces. Next, we're adding in 1 1/4 cup of chicken stock. Followed by 1 3/4 cup of water. Throw in 1 bay leaf. Then we're going to add in our seasoning mixture, which is 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt, a pinch of crushed red pepper, and 1 1/4 teaspoons of crushed garlic. We'll go ahead and seal this guy up. Seal off our vent and turn this guy on. Gonna go ahead and make sure we set this onto a high pressure setting. We're gonna have this cooking for about 75 minutes. And with all your free time that you don't have to spend slaving over the stove, might as well have a beer.
Now that the pressure has been released on that, we'll go ahead and open her up. We'll remove that one bay leaf that we have sitting right here. We'll add in about 1/2 tablespoon of red wine vinegar and 2 cups of spinach. Stir until it's wilted. And we'll go ahead and serve up a bowl.
If you enjoyed today's video, go ahead, leave it a like, give me a subscribe, and drop a comment if there's anything you want to see done.